freehand point cutwork line. The pointer changes to the freehand point pointer. Click Zoom In. Click and drag to draw a rectangle around the top left wing, then release the mouse button to zoom in. Starting at the base of the hole in the top left wing, click to place a series of points just inside the edge of the satin stitch line. As you click the third point on the line becomes closed. It becomes a loop. As you place more points, the line adjusts itself. The line may swing while you place points. Continue, and you can adjust it afterwards if required. Click points to complete the line around the edge of the hole. Move the pointer over one of the nodes on the line. The pointer changes to the Move Node pointer. Adjust the node as desired. When the Move Node pointer is active, you can adjust existing nodes. If you click while the freehand point pointer is active, another point will be added to the line. Right-click to deselect the freehand point cutwork line. The cutwork line is placed on the work area. The points for the cutwork needle and stabilizing lines are inserted automatically. The stitch points for the two cutwork needle lines are very close together, 0.3 millimeters. The gaps in these lines represent the secure points. Surrounding the cutwork lines are the more widely spaced points for the stabilizing line. As the points for the two cutwork lines are placed on top of each other, you cannot see the separate lines.